Philip, and I'm a website designer. I categorized in that, whereby I develop websites both from scratch and through frameworks. A website, in a simple way, it is something which helps you to be known by the world, the whole world. It doesn't matter where you are, because even those who are using Facebook, using WhatsApp, in most cases don't know what they are using, but they are using internet, which accesses also the website. In that, there are some issues which happen on Facebook when you are signing up for a page. They end up asking you to complete your process of signing up for a page by asking for a website. And in that case, a website is so important for any business, no matter what business it is. The issue is all about knowing what it helps and what it does. So in most cases, people don't know where to begin from and what to do accordingly. There are companies which approach us in a way that they want a website which is so unique than those which already maybe in the field or which already exist. I know there are so many people who end up doing website designing through using templates, maybe even frameworks. Frameworks, they give you something which already exists, which is already in use. They give you frameworks and they give you some themes which are already in existence. You can find that so many companies have similar websites without knowing. They just change their content. Someone might ask, what's a website? For more details, let me tell you this. A website, it's in a form of www.example.com, www.philip.co.ug. A website goes more further to get automatic clients. You might ask, like, how? A website can have content which contains advertisement. For example, a company can come which like may be doing something different far away from your business, but since your website, like, it's well known, they come, they negotiate with you, they give you a deal whereby they want to advertise on your platform. They want to advertise on your website. Since it has so many viewers, which has like access to a good number of people, it means those people will be in position of visiting your website to see that person who wants to advertise on your website. To add on that, people want to give out like more businesses to businesses which are serious. So if you're not serious in your business, but by not knowing what is trending now, then it feels so sad to have no website, because you will lose clients, you will lose jobs. The requirements for a website, first of all, it's having a company name. That's one. Because if you have a company name, that name has to be known by the world. Because it's a website, it's going to be like worldwide. So you have to be that name. That's number one. Another thing, you are required to buy like hosting rates. When I talk about hosting, it has categories, because there is shared hosting, there is dedicated hosting. So when I categorize them, it depends on what a client wants. In most cases, some clients can tell you, design for my website, but I'll be in position of hosting it. Yet they don't know what hosting means. Hosting, it's where that domain is being viewed or managed. In that, if you have a hosting platform, you can go there, remove content which is not required by that time, or you want to upgrade and you put another content. But if you don't have like a hosting platform, in most cases there is no way your website can be viewed by the world. In most cases there is no way you can do something without money. That money will be used in this way. If you have like an ATM card, you deposit your money, you find any hosting company, let it be Uganda, let it be outside Uganda, let it be anywhere in Asia, Europe, you will use that money to host your website. You put it on an ATM card, they require that detail on the ATM card, those details on the ATM card, it's required whereby you fill them. For them, they make an automatic deduction. Another thing you need, it's content. Content, when I talk about content, it's the words, the images, Images the same as pictures. The pictures whereby if you are having a product, it has to be viewed. And if it's to be viewed, you have to use a website. You code, maybe I won't say coding because coding it's for we programmers. You have to put that image for viewers to see what you're talking about. If it's a product, you have to put it there on your website so that it can be viewed. And you explain it. If it's a price for something, you have to be in position of knowing that I'm putting the right price of that product. That's what I'll talk about